To install Facebook on your Windows 11 computer, click on the search bar and type Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store to open. Wait until the Microsoft Store refreshes and shows picture. As you can see here, it shows all the available options. Click on the search bar and type Facebook, and click on the Facebook app logo. Click Install, and wait up to 30 seconds until the download and the install is completed. Once completed, click Open. You'll be asked to enter your details, so you can click Create Desktop Shortcut and click Allow. You can allow the cookies. And here you will be asked to enter the email, phone number, and your password to be able to log in. You can always go ahead and click Close, and you will find Facebook available on your desktop. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.